That was scary. Thank goodness you got here. Do you need more monkeys in your troops? We'd love to join you.
Great. We do need some fresh blood in our troops.
Captain, if we destroy these mutant lairs, we'll be able to stock up on supplies and gain the loyalty of the ape troops we rescue.
Yes, we have to destroy these lairs for ourselves and for other apes.
Captain, look! An abandoned city hall! It seems fairly intact. Maybe we can set up our base here.
What a lucky find. Barker, go check it out.
Cap, I inspected it. The main structure's sound. We just need some iron to fix it back up.
Captain, we've collected enough iron to start building.
Barker, I'm leaving it to you to repair the city hall.
Copy that, Cap. I'll make it as strong as a steel barrel.
City of our own, Captain. We can finally get some should-I at night.
This is a good start. Now we need to think about how to develop our city.
Report, Captain. I found some kind of ore load.
Let's go check it out. I bet we'll find some good stuff.
Awesome! Just when we need resources. Yes, sir. Captain, sir. Just leave it to me.
Captain, it'll take a while for Barker to get through the load. What do you say we get back to our city's development? I studied ape history closely and prepared a plan based on our ancestors' experiences.
Good work, Deputy Roger. I know it'll be a great help to our city.
to reinforce our defense walls to keep our territory protected.
That's right. We must guard our new home. I'll leave this job to you, Barker.
No problem.